Hi, Mia. Thanks for coming over. Let's plan our beach trip.
Hi, Emma. I am so excited. The weather will be perfect this weekend.
Yes, it will be sunny and hot. We need to leave early in the morning.
I agree. Let's leave at 7 a.m. to avoid the traffic.
Perfect. Now, let's make a list of things to take.
We definitely need a big beach blanket. I can bring mine.
Oh, I have a new picnic blanket. It is waterproof.
Waterproof is good, but mine is much softer and bigger.
Okay, let's take yours. Don't forget your sunglasses and a hat.
Of course. And we absolutely need sunscreen.
I have a small bottle of sunscreen. SPF 30.
SPF 30 is not enough for the beach. We need SPF 50.
Really? I never burn with SPF 30.
Trust me, the sun is very strong near the water. I will buy SPF 50.
Fine, you buy the sunscreen. What about food?
Let's take your large picnic basket. We can pack a lot of snacks.
Actually, I think a cool box is better for the beach.
But the picnic basket looks so cute for photos.
Cute is nice, but cold drinks are more important.
You are right. Let's take the cool box then.
What should we prepare for lunch? Sandwiches?
Sandwiches are boring. Let's make a pasta salad.
Pasta salad is heavy. I prefer chicken wraps with fresh vegetables.
Chicken wraps? That sounds delicious, actually.
I can cook the chicken tonight. Can you bring the vegetables?
Yes, I have tomatoes, cucumbers, and lettuce at home.
Great! Do we need any fruit?
Watermelon is a must for a beach trip.
Watermelon is too heavy to carry. Let's take grapes and peaches.
Okay, grapes are easier to eat on the beach anyway.
We should also pack some water and iced tea.
I will make my special homemade lemonade.
Oh, I love your lemonade. Please make a big bottle.
Don't worry, I will. Do we need an umbrella?
Yes, we can rent one at the beach. It's easier.
That's a good idea. Carrying an umbrella is annoying.
So, we have the blanket, cool box, food, and drinks ready.
And the SPF 50 sunscreen. I won't forget it.
It sounds like the perfect plan. See you tomorrow at 7 a.m.
See you tomorrow. I can't wait for our beach day.